Hi everyone, every instruction I share in this video has been validated by the mechanics here with me, so don't worry, we'll fix it together. If your Mitsubishi Outlander shows the message DPF system service required, don't panic like it's the diesel apocalypse. Basically, the car is telling you, hey, my diesel particulate filter, DPF, is clogged with soot and can't clean itself. The DPF's job is to trap exhaust soot, and from time to time it needs to regenerate by burning off that buildup to keep working properly. What often happens, according to owners on forums, is that conditions haven't been right for the DPF to perform its automatic regeneration. If you usually take short trips or drive at low speeds, the filter doesn't reach the temperature needed to burn off the accumulated soot. That's why, even if your engine runs normally, the warning light and the check engine light come on. A trick many mechanics recommend is active regeneration on the road. This means warming up the engine and maintaining a speed of about 60 km/h, 37 mph, or more for 15-20 minutes, with the engine running at around 2000 RPM or higher. This helps the DPF reach the proper temperature to burn off the soot, often turning off the warning without needing any parts replaced. If the light stays on after that, the next step is to check the sensors associated with the DPF, such as the differential pressure sensor or the oil level sensor. Mechanics have found that these sensors are often dirty or faulty, and even if the filter itself is fine, the car keeps showing the warning until they are cleaned or replaced. There are also cases where the issue is related to engine problems or leaks. For example, a broken hose or excess oil can prevent the engine from reaching the right conditions to regenerate the DPF, causing the system to keep showing the warning until the issue is fixed. In scenarios like this, a deeper diagnostic is needed to restore normal operation. Finally, while some cases are resolved with cleaning or driving on the highway, others require professional diagnostic tools, so the ECU can recognize that the problem has been resolved and clear the warning. That's why, if the message persists, it's recommended to take your car to a specialized shop to reset it properly.